Hey everyone, it is March 31st, 2025 as I'm recording this video. I got my sell signal today. I purchased a strategy a while back, and over the last 25 years, if I had traded every signal, I would have doubled the market performance. And again, I got a sell signal today. It was the third of the three signals that I need in order to go bearish. It doesn't mean that the market's going to continue down. It doesn't mean that it has to go down. It just means that right now I am no longer bullish. I started publishing some videos and ideas back in January of 2025 that I was very skeptical about the market going higher. And that was primarily because of the Shiller PE ratio. Now, it doesn't show it on this chart because this chart just shows the close, but in the middle of January, we had actually crossed into the second highest price to earnings ratio adjusted for inflation ever. So the highest was here in the dot-com bubble burst. The second highest before January 25 was during COVID. And of course, after both of those situations, we had massive market pullbacks. That is what I'm anticipating, is another massive market pullback. If for no other reason, the stocks right now are just grossly overpriced. Think about it. If you buy something, you want to break even before you get to 40 years, right? The long-term average is about 17 for the price per earnings. I think now that we're in internet is prolific. Everyone has access to trade from their phones. I think the place that I'm going to look for us to pull back to is going to be somewhere around 28 to 25 on this price per earnings chart. If I swing back over here to the stock chart and add some data, that's basically going to be somewhere between 500 and 400 on the SPY. Somewhere between this trough right here, this peak over here, somewhere around in here, I will be legging back in, probably be legging in four, selling some puts to see where I can get back in and looking for the buy signal. I need three of my signals according to my strategy, but I'll be looking for that down here. Well, I should take that back. I will be looking for it at the close of every month, but I expect it down in here. So that's how I will be trading. How are you going to be trading? And before I turn this off, I'm going to show you one more thing that I study, and that is the Buffett indicator. The Buffett indicator looks at the value of the price of the U.S. stock market. It says value here, but really it's the price of the U.S. stock market divided by the gross domestic product of the United States. Realize the U.S. GDP is large business, small business, and government spending all added together. The price of the stock market should be a subset of large company spending. So you would certainly not expect this to be a huge portion over 100%, but actually right now it is double. This indicates that the stock market is valued at double the entire US GDP when, in my opinion, it should be a subset of the US GDP. So again, just another reason why I think the US stock market is overpriced right now. I've got my sell signal, and I will be looking for a pullback, may even take some bearish positions somewhere into the to below 500. So I could be wrong. You have to decide what's right for you and your family and trade according to your plan. But no matter how you invest, always invest on logic, not on hope. If you want to know what I'm doing, follow me on social media, reach out, send me a direct message. I'm happy to share my plan.